Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm back with another Python practice video. Today, I will be doing Data and Motions Week 25 coding question. So let's go ahead and get started with the instructions. The instruction is to write a function named onlyInts that takes two parameters. Your function should return true if both parameters are integers and false otherwise. And it gives a few examples here. So if you're to call that function and you have the parameters of 1 and 2, it should return true. But if you call that function and pass in a string of a and the integer of 1, it should return false. So let's go ahead and get started. As you see here, I already created my skeleton. I have declared the onlyInts function that's going to take in two entries as a parameter. I also have my main declared here that'll take those two test cases in and give us the results there. All right, let's get started on the solution. So as stated in the instructions, we want to check if both of the parameters themselves are integers, and if so, we're going to return true. So let's get started on that portion now. So we'll say if the type of entry 1 is equal to integer, and then we want to add the other condition as an AND condition because we want both of these to be true. So if type of entry 1 is an integer, and if type of entry 2 is integer, we're going to return true. And then it says for that condition, we have that already there. And it says if it's not both true, then we're going to do false otherwise. So with that, we could just do an else. So we'll say else, we're going to return false. All right, so that should be it. Just as simple as that. Checking if both parameters or arguments passed are int. If they're not both int, then it's false. So let's go ahead and test this code right now. And let's check it against their test cases. As you see, the first one did return true, and the second one did return false. So everything seems to be in working order here. Let me know if you would have went about doing it a different way, or let me know if you have any tips for me as far as making the code more efficient. I hope everyone's having a great day. Bye-bye.